All right, I'm going to show you guys how to use Padlet from the teacher end here. It's really easy. You're going to go to Padlet.com right here. And when you do that, in the top right-hand corner, you're going to click on Login. And since I already have a Google account, I'm going to log in with that information. We're going to skip that. And here we go. This is the main page where you will see all of your Padlets that you create. So let's create a new Padlet here. So we're going to click on New Padlet. It's going to allow you to give it a title. So right now, and let me move the recording box. So right now, the title is My Fancy Padlet. We'll just call it, well, Sample Padlet. And it gives you a little quirky thing, made with a stroke of good luck. You can change that as well if you'd like. So if you look kind of right here on the bottom right, you'll see grid, you'll see freeform, you will see stream. That is how your board, this collaboration board, that's how it will collect what students are uploading or what anybody is uploading to the board. Me personally, I like to use grid because it will actually grid everything up there without it overlapping. And there's some things that you can also do to this as well. Let's scroll down and see what else we can do. You can change the wallpaper. So let's say I wanted to do my own wallpaper. I can actually click there and add your own. And you can upload any image. So maybe you want to show pictures of your family or your pet. You can do that. But we're just going to keep it simple here. We're not going to do any of that. In fact, we'll just change it to the Olympics there. Let's look at what happens when you click Next. So when I click Next, there are some things that you can do with the privacy. You can make it completely private. You can require it to have a password. I like to keep mine secret. That means unless you have a QR code or a direct link to this particular collaboration Padlet, or this collaboration board is what I like to call it, you are not going to be able to find this. And so we're going to keep it secret, and then you can choose what you want people to be able to do. Can they just read what's there? Can they write on your board? Can they moderate? Me teaching students, I don't want them to moderate. I just want them to be able to view and add. They can't edit, they can't approve others' posts, modify them, delete them, and they can't invite anybody else. So I like to keep mine like that right there. And that's it. So we have created our Padlet here. Everything is saved, so we're all good. So now the question is, how do I get students to this board? What I like to do is I like to highlight that and hit Control-C. That's going to copy this link. I like to use this website here, qrstuff.com. I have my URL copied. Now I'm going to paste that. A quick way to paste it is to hit Control-V, and you will notice if you watched in the video, it already generated my QR code right here. And I can download this QR code. No thanks, I don't want any of that information. It has now saved it. I can actually right click on this and open it in Paint if I wanted to do that, which I'm not going to do because that's all in my other video on how to create a QR code. Open it with Paint, you can make it bigger. Now you can embed it into a presentation. And if you use a QR scanner, when you scan this code, it will take you directly to the board. And so when I do that, I would be able to double click and then I could type something. So title will say, we'll just call me Texas Secondary. And now I'm pretending like I'm the student. I came here, so maybe it's the first day and I go, hi, I am so excited to be here, right? And now you will see that. And as the students or whoever is collaborating on this board, it will start to organize it in some kind of grid fashion. That's how you use Padlet. You click back up here in the top left, it'll take me back to my dashboard, and you'll be able to see all the different Padlets that you have. Hope that helped.